Engaging in sustainable and eco-friendly budget travel is an opportunity to explore the world with a purpose. It combines the thrill of adventure with a commitment to reducing your environmental impact and respecting local communities. By thoughtfully selecting destinations and making conscious choices throughout your journey, you not only save money, but also become a responsible traveler who contributes to a healthier planet and the preservation of cultural diversity. Before proceeding to the video detail, make sure you have subscribed to my channel Budget Ventures. More videos like this will be coming soon here. 1. Choosing eco-friendly destinations. When selecting eco-friendly destinations, you're making a conscious effort to support places that prioritize sustainability. These destinations may have earned eco-friendly certifications, awards, or recognition for their commitment to responsible tourism. By traveling to such destinations, you not only reduce your environmental impact, but also contribute to the preservation of these valuable ecosystems. What's more, eco-friendly destinations often offer a wide range of budget-friendly accommodations and activities that align with sustainable practices. This means you can enjoy your travel experiences while being mindful of the environment and your wallet. 2. Strategic itinerary planning. Crafting a well-thought-out itinerary is a crucial step in sustainable and budget travel. By thoroughly researching your destinations and mapping out your travel routes, you can minimize the need for excessive transportation. This not only reduces your carbon footprint but also helps you uncover cost-effective transportation and lodging options that might be hidden gems. Planning your itinerary strategically allows you to make the most of your travel budget and limit the environmental impact of your journey. 3. Embrace slow travel. Slow travel is an approach that encourages travelers to immerse themselves in a single place, spending more time exploring and engaging with the local culture. This method aligns perfectly with eco-friendly principles, as it reduces the carbon emissions associated with frequent travel. It also tends to be more budget-friendly as you can secure long-term accommodations at a lower cost per night. Slow travel allows you to truly connect with a destination, fostering a deeper appreciation for its culture and environment, while reducing your travel expenses and environmental footprint. 4. Eco-friendly transportation choices. Opting for eco-conscious modes of transportation, such as buses, trains, or ride-sharing services, is a win-win for both the environment and your budget. These options are often not only more environmentally responsible, but also cost-effective, especially when you book tickets well in advance or take advantage of travel passes or discounts. By choosing eco-friendly transportation, you're reducing your carbon footprint, saving money, and contributing to a more sustainable travel experience. 5. Packing light and smart. Packing light is not just about saving on baggage fees. It's also a smart move for reducing fuel consumption and carbon emissions, particularly during air travel. When you pack only the essentials and include reusable items like a water bottle, shopping bag, and toiletries, you not only save money, but also minimize waste and the use of disposable items. This eco-conscious approach allows you to travel efficiently while reducing your environmental impact and travel expenses. 6. Sustainable accommodations. Eco-friendly accommodations, such as hostels, guest houses, and eco-lodges, prioritize sustainability and responsible tourism. These establishments often implement energy-efficient practices, reduce waste, and support the local community. Staying in such accommodations is not only in line with your eco-conscious travel goals, but can also provide you with budget-friendly lodging options. By choosing these accommodations, you support responsible tourism and enjoy unique and authentic travel experiences. 7. Eat local and sustainably. Supporting local food sources by dining at neighborhood restaurants and indulging in street food is a wonderful way to experience a destination authentically. This approach can be budget-friendly, and if you choose places that emphasize sustainability and source their ingredients locally, you're not only savoring delicious cuisine, but also contributing to the preservation of the environment. Eating local and sustainably is a satisfying way to reduce your carbon footprint and support the local economy. 8. Responsible water use. Conserving water during your travels is both an eco-conscious and practical choice, especially in regions with water scarcity. Simple actions like taking shorter showers, turning off taps when not in use, And reusing towels and linens can help save valuable resources and reduce expenses associated with utilities in your accommodations. This approach ensures that you're both environmentally responsible and cost-effective in your travel practices. 9. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Minimizing your reliance on single-use plastics by carrying reusable items like cutlery, straws, and a coffee cup significantly reduces waste. Additionally, being diligent about recycling and waste disposal helps minimize your environmental impact while respecting local guidelines and practices. By incorporating these habits into your travel routine, you can reduce your carbon footprint, save money, and promote responsible waste management. 10. Public transportation and walking. Public transportation is not only an eco-friendly option for getting around in cities, but can also be a cost-effective one. Walking, where feasible, is another sustainable and budget-friendly mode of transportation. It allows you to fully engage with local culture, explore at your own pace, and save on transportation costs. Embracing public transportation and walking not only reduces your environmental impact, but also enhances your travel experience. 11. Energy conservation, responsible energy usage. Not only reduces your ecological footprint, but can also result in lower electricity bills. Turning off lights, appliances, and air conditioning when not needed, and opting for natural ventilation when the weather allows, are effective ways to conserve energy in your accommodations. This not only benefits the environment, but also keeps your travel expenses in check. 12. Support local artisans and markets. Purchasing souvenirs from local artisans and markets is an excellent way to contribute to the local economy and reduce the carbon footprint associated with mass-produced trinkets. These handcrafted items are often unique and budget-friendly, making them a memorable choice that supports local craftsmanship and culture while minimizing your environmental impact.
Hey, fellow travel enthusiasts, if you're eager to turn your wanderlust into reality, make sure to explore the goldmine of resources waiting for you in the video description below. I've curated a list of essential links, including budget-friendly airline options, trusted booking sites, a fantastic YouTube course to kickstart your own channel, and even recommendations for reliable travel insurance. Don't miss out on these valuable tools that can elevate your travel game. Simply scroll down and click those links to embark on your next adventure with confidence. Happy travels.
13. Respect natural environments. When exploring natural areas, following Leave No Trace principles ensures that you leave minimal impact. Staying on designated paths, avoiding disturbing wildlife, and adhering to responsible waste disposal practices help protect these environments for future generations. What's more, practicing Leave No Trace is often free or low cost, making it an eco-conscious and budget-friendly way to enjoy and preserve the natural beauty of the places you visit. 14. Carbon footprint. Offset. Consider investing in carbon offset programs to mitigate the environmental impact of your travel. These programs are often budget-friendly and support projects like reforestation, renewable energy initiatives, or community development. By participating in these initiatives, you can feel good about making your travel more eco-conscious and responsible, while also contributing to positive environmental and social change. 15. Learn and engage. Immersing yourself in the local culture by learning about customs, traditions, and the history of the destination is a richly rewarding aspect of travel. Engaging with the local community can lead to unique and budget-friendly experiences, fostering cultural exchange and a deeper understanding of the places you visit. This interactive and educational approach not only enhances your travel experience, but also promotes responsible and respectful tourism. It's a chance to connect with local people, build lasting memories, and support the local economy in meaningful ways. In the realm of sustainable and eco-friendly budget travel, each choice you make, from your itinerary to your transportation, accommodations, and daily habits, plays a vital role in your overall travel experience. By embracing these practices, you embark on a journey that is not only kind to your wallet, but also to the environment and the diverse communities you encounter. So, as you plan your next adventure, remember that traveling responsibly and economically is a meaningful way to connect with the world and leave a lasting, positive impact. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. That way, you'll be the first to know when I post new videos. Thanks again for your support.